Hola, buen día. Vamos al tema 3 de la semana 3, un tema bastante sencillo como los que hemos estado viendo en este nivel. Reitero, son repaso y pues enfocarte a ir más profundo en cada uno de los temas, ¿no? Ahorita te voy a comentar qué es lo importante de este tema porque seguramente ya conoces muy bien la estructura. Pero bueno, te lo voy a explicar. I'm going to explain this in English because I know that you know this grammar structure perfectly. Vamos a explicarlo en inglés, jóvenes, para que de esa forma practiques un poquito el listening skill, ¿sale? Tu habilidad de audio. Y bueno, ya conoces el tema, entonces no creo que se te complique. Okay? So let's start. As you see over here, we have the concept. The concept says to express an action that was in progress. Okay, an ongoing past action was happening at a specific moment of interruption. Okay, so don't forget that past continuous is something that is in progress, was in progress during a period of time. Okay, what auxiliaries do we have? Remember, we have was and were, and it depends of the subject. The subjects are here. First person, you're gonna use was. Third person, he, she, it, you're gonna use was again. And for plural person, we, you, and they, you have to use were. Remember that for interrogative, you have the question word, but it's not necessary all the time. It's just when you want to say I'm in a specific question. Okay? So what is necessary from here to there? This is mandatory. Okay? So these elements, you have to use them all the time. So over there we have two examples. What were you doing yesterday? Okay, so this is plural, and remember that you have to use all the time the gerund in the verb. That's why we have the words gerund, the word gerund in blue. Okay, so what were you doing yesterday? Answer: I was working yesterday. Okay, and we just change here the verb to be, and that's it. Okay, don't forget the ing in all the verbs. Now the second example, this is a direct question. Okay, remember, specific question, question word. Direct question, you don't use question word. So it says, was he drinking alcohol? Yes, he was drinking alcohol. Okay, negative of both of them. I was not working. No, he was not drinking alcohol. So remember, for a specific, you have to use yes in the answer for a specific. And for negative, you have to use the word no, okay, in the beginning. So what do you have to do with this? I mean, you have to focus, okay? Remember, I'm sure that you know the rules, okay? For the person was, for this person were, and for I have to use the ing, okay? And memorize the concept, and that's it. But focus on this, okay? Try to memorize, okay, the rules for spelling, okay? For spelling, ing rules. Remember, most of the verbs, like the 90%, just ing, and that's it. But we have 1, 2, 3, 4 more rules, specific rules. For example, when the verb ends in I, E, before a consonant, like die, so you have to change the I, the vowel, for Y, and then ing, like this, tying. Right, this is common, right? We have the E ending, so we eliminate, we drop the E, and we have to write ing. What happened here? When you have one syllable verb, okay, and you have consonant, vowel, consonant, just in this case, we double the last consonant, okay, and then we put ing. Okay, so be careful with this rule. Okay, this is very specific. One syllable. What happened with two syllables and we double the L? What happened here? Okay, when we have a word with two syllables, travel, but this is the strong syllable, travel, yes, vel, this is the strong. So just in this case, consonant, vowel, consonant, we have to double the last consonant, okay? And that's why we have traveling with double L, Okay, so that is my recommendation. Please analyze the rules and memorize them. Okay, because this is the difficult part of this tense, because as you know, this is not complicated. Okay, so let's see the examples. So this is part of your homework of this week. And as you see, the first section says complete the sentences in past continuous, mark your answer in red. Okay, so please use the red color, okay, to check it better. So yesterday at 6, dinner. Okay, so this is affirmative. This is not complicated. You have the elements, you have the structure, so you have the subject, then you have to continue with the auxiliary and the verb, and that's it. Okay, just remember the rules. We have an E, we change for I, and that's it. No, so I was preparing. Okay, so be careful here. This is negative. Okay, and that's it. And this is also negative. In the section 2, it says complete the question in past continuous with the prompts in the parentheses. So you have to use this, and the auxiliaries, well, the verb to be, they are not auxiliaries, was and were. Okay, so remember that over here you have to write all the question. Okay, so in questions you remember how to use it. Okay, so be careful with the structure in interrogative. And finally, this is the negative. Okay, so try to use all of them in negative. Negative. Julia, for example, number 14. Julia was not. Okay, remember, singular. For plural, they were not. Okay, so be careful with that. And remember, just check the rules for ing. Okay, for example here, sit. Sit is with double T. S-I-T-T-I-N-G. Okay, so just check the rules for ing rules of the verbs. Okay, so that's all, guys. I hope that you can understand this video, and anything I can help you at any time. Okay, so good day, see you.